Hello again, Internet. So I wanted to show a little trick I figured out a while back, and the the method I've got is not perfect. So maybe someone in the comments has a better solution, but I'll show you what I've got and why I'm doing it. Starting off the why. So I put this sketch of a circle to be tangent with this face. It looks like that. So sketch of a circle is tangent. And if I look straight at the sketch, I get a circle. No problem. If I then wrap that around the sketch, I don't have a circle anymore. And that is a problem, because if I take this flat circle and I send it to a laser cutter with a rotary axis to engrave something on the side of a bottle or a can or a cup or what have you, instead of looking like this circle, it's going to look like this circle when you look at it straight on. And this isn't a circle, but it kind of is, because if you measure along this curved face, this distance to this distance is the same as this distance to this distance. It just doesn't look like a circle, and if we're engraving something that's a circle, we want it to look like a circle. So that is why I kind of figured this method out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that, because that was just to show the why. And then I am going to insert a part, and it's for this new upcoming company. I just checked their stock is really cheap. You can buy in now. Not stock advice, of course. But yeah, I think they've got big things in their future. And let's see, from this corner to this corner is 435 millimeters, whereas this is 80. So don't want it to be all the way, so I'm going to call it 65 divided by this dimension, 435.29839. So I'm going to hit the scale, hit that, and hit that. Okay, so now it's the right size. And I am going to do a move copy body on it. And I've already got this centered around my planes, so that makes it a little bit easier for me. And this goes to there, but the other way. Okay, and then this, for the time being, I'll just go like that. Alright, so I've got this plane, but this plane is tangent, so I'm going to just back out like 1 millimeter. And I'll hide that plane, and I will sketch on that plane, and I'm just going to actually convert, and then okay, I think I got it all. Select all inner loops, and take a second process, and I will hide this and make sure that everything that I want transferred over. Okay, then I'm going to make a new sketch, and I'm just going to convert that because that is my base logo. I don't want to mess with that, but I have to mess with this. Alright, so our problem right now is that we can't have any, in the end after this we need to have a single surface. So we can cut this out of there, no problem. We can cut that out of there, no problem. This is a problem, so I have to go like this and like this. And then I will use a trim like that and that. Okay, that one's good. think I don't have anything left over now. So if I do an extrude boss, it should allow me to. Alright. But I actually want to do an extrude cut. And I'm going to go offset from surface by just 1. Okay. Alright. So now if you look at it like that, it's stretched. But if you look at it straight, it's normal. Except for those. But we will fix that soon enough. Alright, so I'm going to select this face. I'm going to offset it by 0. Then I can just go ahead and get rid of both my solid bodies. And I want to do a surface flatten. Grab the surface, grab this edge, and turn up the quality, even though it'll take a little longer. Alright, so I delete that old surface. Let's go normal to this, and let's sketch on it. Alright, so is this a line? It is, I think. Nope, it's a spline. Alright, well then I'll just make splines. Tangent, probably not really necessary in this one, but I want to make these tangent with these just in case. And grab those, convert. Okay, got all those filled in. Okay, so I've got my sketch, and I'm going to use that as a split. Cut the part, get a whole bunch of parts, and I just select any one of them, and then remove it from and delete. Select any one of them, click delete, and remove it from the list. And we can go around and select these. Okay, that looks about right. Now I'm normal to it right now, and as you can see, the bottom's on the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two planes, put an axis there, and then I'm going to select all these bodies, and I'm going to do a move copy bodies. I don't want to copy them. I want to rotate them around this axis by 90 degrees. Okay, so now that's what I need to send to the laser cutter in order to get the emblem to look properly when it's actually looked straight on. So I hope you found this useful. Comment below, subscribe, like, do all the standard stuff, and I'll see you next time.